Let's play Musette from English Suite number 3. This is number 7 in Suzuki book number 2. This has a lot of extended second position, which is a weird thing. To get that down, check this out. We're going to play an open D, second finger D. Keep your hand oriented towards the second and fourth finger. Practice this. Can you do that with your first finger straight back? This first finger is going to go all the way back to a C natural, a whole step. It's best if the hand doesn't move like this, but instead the first finger is facing backwards. All right, let's play the song. Like I always like to get my hand in position. Open C, fourth finger C. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Second position. Extended. This is fun. Beginning, or like the beginning. And now we go to a second finger G. So we're ready in second position for a second finger D. This is the first ending. Measure 10. That's my favorite part. This is not an easy thing to do. We're going to take our second finger on the G on the D string. This is second position extended. And we're going to practice playing back and forth between the A and the D string with our first finger on the A string only and our second, third, and fourth finger on the D string. See if you can play that. I'm not using my thumb. Most cellists don't use their thumb very much in the back of the cello, especially when they're in extended hand shape, because it makes the hand all scrunchy. So pull the cello towards you. Let me hear your A, fourth finger, match it to mine. First finger goes straight up in the air and lays back. C. That's a C natural. A good practice might be to take this Notice the notes I'm playing on the A string. This is all A string, open A, first finger. But my 2, 3, and 4 is staying on the D string. Now play it cross strings. A, C, A on the D string, fourth finger, first finger, fourth finger, first finger. Something like that might be kind of fun just to get the hand in shape. You can also take second finger. It's not easy. I make it look easy, but it's not easy. I know. I want to point out too, when we shift on each of these moments from measure 9, our last note before the shift is a B. I'm going to slide on this first finger. The best way to do it is to slide up to a C natural and extend the hand in the same motion. Now, what we're going to do is pretend like we're going to play that C natural, but not do it. And now D. Don't play that note. Second finger D. First finger, second finger D. The next one's a little bit different in measure 14. Same thing, we shift up the half step to the C, and notice I'm making the extension already happen. And our next note is on the D string with a second finger G. That is a good practice for you. In my music, I have a little C natural in between the B and the G with a first finger on it to remind me. First finger goes up to that C and drops to second finger G. First position. Now, a lot of this last thing I want to point out for you on this little mini virtual lesson is these 4 open 1 holds. It even starts at the beginning. Remember, I started with an open C, fourth finger C. I leave that right there. I just park it on the G string. First finger, I bring the power down to the G string. Now right here is a 4 open 1 hold, just textbook as can be. 4 open 1, not 4 open 1, 4 open 1. Leave the hand on the cello. The hardest one, I'll say, I think is actually in the run at measure 15. My fourth finger stays on that G the whole time. Stick. Hold it down. Hold it down. Let it go. Keep it there. Open A. All right, that's it. Back up to the beginning and practice this piece until you got it.